the data spoke for itself. They loved the tool so much that they came to us and said, we need to buy more licenses because what we want to hit the end user is the near perfection piece. Hi, I'm Jessica Tatge. I'm Manager of Integrated Marketing for Bio-Techne. Bio-Techne is a manufacturer and supplier of high quality reagents that get used in everyday science at universities, pharmaceutical companies, to help find cures for diseases, cancer, medications, all of the above in the science world. Our creative process was to export an Adobe PDF and route it through Adobe Cloud, relying on people to use the commenting tool within the PDF, which often didn't work well because they would download it because they want to make their own notes to it, and then re-upload it, and then we would lose their comments along with the next person's comments, and it was really kind of messy. So the annotating tools was the biggest sell for us, being allowed to draw a box around an area, draw a circle, as well as being able to annotate on videos, being able to pause a video at a certain time in the video, timestamp it, and be able to comment in a video. That was a game changer for us. That's something we've never been able to do before. That's an easy one. So we have in our system that we use, our project management tool, we have columns that collect data. The number of times things going out for review on average have been cut in half, as well as the length of time that is out for review. The data spoke for itself. When we rolled out Ziflow, we rolled it out specifically for marketing. The business started using the tool as a proofer, right? So they're the ones being routed the material to review and add their comments. They loved the tool so much that they came to us and said, we need to buy more licenses. So they're writing content and they're getting it approved by scientists that work here on our products. So they're using the tool prior to when it comes to marketing. I would say the different stages that it allows in the routing process. So we have 3 different stages in ours. The first stage is the designer routes it and it goes to their art director. That is one stage. If the art director stops the proof and says, I don't want the division to see this yet, this is not brand compliant, they can stop that stage and send it back for changes required before it ever hits the end user. Because what we want to hit the end user is the near perfection piece. Collaborative, being able to, for the end user to ask the designer questions about why they did this or is this possible before the piece is completed. That collaboration is huge, and I think is what has created that perfect data that we're seeing, where it's cut our review time in half. We did a pretty vast vetting process of a couple different vendors, and Ziflow really stood out in terms of the UI experience. Other platforms weren't as intuitive. The video annotating process, like I said, it was a game changer for us. We're doing a lot more videos nowadays. We have a full in-house video team, and it has drastically changed our process.